असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Now, exercise 2.3, problem number 1. Look at the question. Find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by the following linear polynomials. Given 5 linear polynomials here, we have to divide this polynomial by these 5 linear polynomials and we have to find the remainder. Okay. So, we have remainder theorem. By that remainder theorem, we have to find the remainders. Okay. No need to divide here. So, what is the remainder theorem? If p of x divided by x minus a, then the remainder is p of a. If we divide by x minus a, the remainder is p of a. So we have to compare the given linear equation, linear polynomials by that x minus a. Okay, right. What is the first one? So our p of x is equals to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. So given x minus a is equals to x minus a is equals to x plus 1. Okay, right. Nothing but we can write this as x minus a, x minus of minus 1. Now what is the a value? Minus 1. Okay, or we can find like this also. So if x minus a, so we have to find the x value here equals to 0. So x is equals to a we got. Similarly, x plus 1 equals to 0. If we take equal to 0, x value becomes minus 1. We can take like this also. Okay, so we need clarification, that's it. So we have to find p of minus 1 because we have to substitute this. We need remainder. We will divide by x plus 1. Okay, right. By remainder, I am going to solve this. Minus 1 whole cube plus 3 into minus 1 square plus 3 into minus 1 plus 1. So what becomes? Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 plus 3 into minus 1 into minus 1 plus into minus 3 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 3 minus 3 plus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 cancel. Minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled. Remainder is we got minus 1. So p of minus 1 we got 0. It means the polynomial value is 0. So this is all about polynomial value you are finding finally. If this is 0, what we can say? The remainder is 0. So if we divide by x minus a, p of a is a remainder. So that is just using our formula. If we divide by x plus 1, the remainder is 0. Okay, right. Now the remainder is 0. So what we can say now? If the remainder is 0, the given polynomial x plus 1 is the factor of this x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1, isn't it? Right, we shall discuss later about that. So now, write down this problem. I'm going to raise. Right. Next, second one. What is the question? So p of x is x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. So given x minus a is equals to x minus 1 by 2. So a is equals to 1 by 2, isn't it? Right. So p of 1 by 2 we have to find to get the remainder. Okay. cube plus 3 into 1 by 2 whole square plus 3 into 1 by 2 plus 1. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 plus 3 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 plus 1. So what becomes 1 by 8 plus 3 into 1 by 4 plus 3 by 2 plus 1. So 1 by 8 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 2 plus 1. We have to simplify this. Take the LCM of 8 comma 4 comma 8 comma 4 comma to LCM. 2 4 the 2 2 the 2 1 the 2 2 the 2 1 the. Okay, what is the LCM now? LCM is 8. So 8. So in 8 table 8 comes at one time. So it 1 has to use plus. In 4 table 8 comes 2 times. 2 into 3 numerator 3 plus. In 2 table 8 comes at 4 times. So that 4 into 3 plus it is 1. Okay. So in 1 table 8 comes at 8 times. That 8 into numerator 1. Okay. Now 1 plus 6 plus 12 plus 8 by 8. So it is 20. 27 by 8 is the remainder. Okay. Nothing but P of 1 by 2 we got 27 by 8. So the remainder is 27 by 8 when we divide by x minus 1 by 2 x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay. So if we divide x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 by x minus 1 by 2, we got the remainder 27 by 8. Okay. Right. Next, coming to the third one. Right. Given x minus a is equals to x. So already p of x we are having x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay. Right. So x minus a is equals to this one. We can write x minus 0 or x plus 0, whatever may be. Okay. Right. What is the x value now? We have to substitute. We have to substitute x equals to 0 or a equals to 0. Okay. Isn't it? Right. So take p of 0 is equals to 0 cube plus 3 into 0 square plus 3 into 0 plus 1. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1. 1 is the remainder. Okay. So we got p of 0 equals to nothing but the remainder is 1. When we divide x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 by x. Okay. This is the remainder. Next, coming to fourth problem. Right. So given x minus a is equals to x plus pi. Okay. Or you can write x minus a equals x minus of minus pi, isn't it? Right. Now a equals to minus pi, have to substitute in p of x is equals to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. So p of minus pi is equals to minus pi whole cube plus 3 into pi whole square plus 3 into pi, sorry, minus pi plus 1. Okay, this is minus pi. Okay, what becomes? P of minus pi is equals to minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5 plus 3 into minus 5 into minus 5 plus into minus minus 3 pi plus 1. Okay, now what becomes p of minus pi is equals to minus pi cube plus 3 pi square minus into minus plus pi into pi square into 3 pi square minus 3 pi plus 1. Okay, so we know that pi value is 3.14 or 22/7. So this is enough to show here. Okay, this is the remainder only for simplification here. So stop here. The remainder is minus pi cube plus 3 pi square minus 3 pi plus 1. Okay, it is nothing but a number. Okay, right. Next, fifth one. Pi plus 2x. So given x minus a is equals to 5 plus 2x. So if we solve this 5 plus 2x, what is the x value? 2x is equals to minus 5, x is equals to minus 5 by 2. Nothing but we have to substitute minus 5 by 2. Okay, in place of, so our a value is minus 5 by 2. Nothing but this is the x value only. Okay, remember that thing. Right, p of x is equals to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Now p of minus 5 by 2. Okay, this is nothing but a value is nothing but this is also x, this is also x. Okay, just I am replacing in place of x minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2 whole cube plus 3 into minus 5 by 2 whole square plus 3 into minus 5 by 2 plus 1. Okay, right. Now minus 5 by 2 into minus 5 by 2 into minus 5 by 2 plus 3 into minus 5 by 2 into minus 5 by 2 plus into minus minus 15 by 2 plus 1. Okay, right. So minus 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 plus plus into minus minus 5 into 5 25 5 is a 125 by 8 plus 5 25 is a 75 by 4 minus 15 by 2 plus 1. The LCM is 8. So in 8 table 8 comes at one time, so 125 as this. Plus in 4 table 8 comes at 2 times, so 2 into 75 minus in 2 table 8 comes at 4 times, so that 4 into 15. In 1 table 8 comes at 8 times, so that 8 into 1. Now what becomes? So I'm going to write here. So minus 125 plus 150 minus 60 plus 8 by 8. So here it is minus 125 minus 60 plus 158 by 8. Nothing but so 185 minus 185 158. So how much it is? 15 minus 8, it is 7, and 7 is remaining here, 2 minus 27. So minus 27 by 8 is the remainder. Okay, what is the answer? So P of, so I am writing here, so I have one more step here, minus 185 minus 185 plus 158 by 8. Okay, so all you can write here or write down here. So minus 185 plus 158 by 8, nothing but minus 27 by 8 is the remainder. So P of minus 5 by 2 we got minus 27 by 8, nothing but this is the remainder. Okay, right.